For an additional coverage on the 3 steps of counting up from any number, I decided to pull the last number from the homework to help you guys get a head start. The homework asks you, show a way to count from 668 to 900 using ones, tens, and hundreds. Well, this is just what we've been doing in class the entire time. So let's review our steps. Step 1. Count by ones to complete the 10. So let's look. Our number is 668. Let's label it. In the ones place, we have an 8. In the tens place, we have a 6. And in the hundreds place, we have a 6. Looking at the first part, we need to count by ones from 8 to get to the next 10. Well, to get from 8 into the next 10, we need to add 2. So we'll end up with 2 ones from this first bit. Okay, let's look at the next part. We're at 668, just to review from the last page. And we've added 2 ones. So, let's see. 668, 669, 670. We've used the 2 ones from the last page, and I'm showing it on a number line because it's asking for a way to show counting. Okay, now let's look at step 2. Step 2. Count by tens to complete the 100. So let's look. We're at the number 670 currently. How many tens do we need to add to make 70 turn into 100? Well, 70 is the same as 7 tens. So, and we know that 100 is 10 tens. So what do we add to 7 tens? How many tens do we add to get to 10 tens? That's right, 3. We add 3 tens. So we're going to count up here by tens 3 times. So plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. Okay, 670. 70 when you add 10 becomes 80. 680. Add 10. 690. Add 10. 700. We have reached our next 100, so we move from 600 to 700. That's step 2. Count by tens to complete the 100. Now, let's look at the third step. We're at 700 currently. We need to get to 900. So let's look at step 3. Step 3, count by hundreds to the needed 100. So we need to get from 700 to 900. So let's count by hundreds. 700, 800, because we're going up by hundreds. 7 goes into 8. And now 8 turns into a 900. Awesome. So we found out we just need to add 100 to get to 900. So the answer for was we need to find a way to count from 688 to 900. Well, to do that, we did 688. And then we added 1 twice. Sorry, 668, not 688. My mistake. Thank you. So we added 1 twice, and we got 669 and then 670. Next, we had to add 10. You count up by tens 3 times. 680, 690, 700. And then we had to count up by 100 twice. 700 turns into 800. 800 goes into 900. And there we go. We did our 3 steps. Step 1, count by ones to complete the 10. Step 2, count by tens to complete the 100. And finally, step 3, count by hundreds to the needed 100. And that's it. That's our 3 steps for counting up from one number to another.